had a ladder coming down the lowest part of the cliff here. So today the trail goes from the dock down by the fjord here with a small boathouse on top of it, a little bit up to the right before it comes back onto the first level of the cliff, and it continues up to the farm in a zigzag pattern. So you might see some of the stone foundations of the trail just to the right of the waterfall. So the farm here was built in the 1100s, and the first farmers that built this place, they ended up here because they didn't have that much money. So here in the municipality of Aurland, most of our flat area is 900 meters above sea level. And we say that only about 0.6% of our landscape or area is actually farmable land, farmable soil. And the land closest to the villages was quite expensive. So for the farmers that didn't have much, they needed to find cheap farmable land anywhere they could. So that's why they ended up here at Stigen, but also at Nedberg. But even though these farms look like a little bit far away from civilization today, they were a lot closer back in the day. Because before we got all of our road connections and boat tunnels, the fjord here was the main mean of travel, and they were living quite close to it. And the farmers lived here all the way up until 1960, and that was when Undredal first got their electricity. And then it stood empty for about 30 years until an American student named Lee Cunningham was kayaking through the fjord here, and he spotted the farm and wondered to himself, who lives up here? So he took the hike up just to find the houses abandoned. So he went back to Undredal and asked around about the farm, and he managed to find the family who owned it. He also got to buy the farm for them. And then, together with his Norwegian girlfriend, now wife, they lived there a couple of years themselves while renovating the place. And today, you can book your stay.